plant-loving friends. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make a mixed planter of houseplants. Often people will buy one houseplant and put it in a beautiful pot, and that's a great option. But something that I really like to do as a housewarming gift or to put it in a space where I want something low is I like to put 3 houseplants together in a planter just for a little bit more pizzazz or something a little bit more exciting. So I've picked this beautiful gray pot with a hole in the bottom. We always recommend a hole at Groovy Plants Ranch. And then I have chosen 3 houseplants that will go together really well because they are lower light, lower water, and all 3 of them are kind of the ones that that can handle a little bit of neglect, and so they're great choices for a housewarming gift or as a sympathy gift. So I have this beautiful peperomia. This one's shumi red. Look at that color. It's gorgeous. A neon pothos. This one's a great one. And this is Tradescantia lavender, or a wandering dude. So we have peperomia, wandering dude, and a pothos. These all will go really well together, and look at that color contrast. So the first thing you want to do when you're planting a planter up is just going to put a little soil in the bottom of your pot. Just enough so that when you put your plant with its roots in, it's just sitting at the lip. You don't want to have so much soil mounted up here that your plant is going to sit above the lip, because then you're going to push it in and you're going to compress the soil underneath the roots, which is going to make your plant less successful over time because it's got compressed soil underneath it. So I filled the bottom of my pot just enough to have them sit at the lip. Then I'm going to take it out, and if your plant has a hard time getting out, I like to squeeze on the corners of the pot 3 times and it should slide right out. And if you are giving this as a gift, I like to hold on to the tags and include them all together in the pot so that the person receiving it knows what they have and how to care for it. Also, when you are putting your planter together, I like to push the plants kind of to the edges, but make sure that they are still staying level. They're not tipping out, because tipping out tends to make your planter look a little bit messy. In keeps it nice and compact. Take that pothos, squeeze it right out. Put that in. Look at that gorgeous color contrast with the reddish purple of that shumi red and the neon pothos. That is so great. And then for my third one, I chose this lavender Tradescantia because it has a different color. Also because it has a different leaf size. So you're getting another color contrast in your planter and shape contrast. Once all of your plants are in, you're going to want to put the soil in your pot, making sure you're getting it in between where there wasn't any soil, in between the different pot root masses. You use your finger to push it in, just so that it's full, but it's not compact. Push it in. And I'm carefully lifting the leaves, putting the soil in. That way, you're not hurting the plant and you're making sure you're getting all the soil in there. And I don't think I need any in the middle because it looks pretty full, but I do need a little bit more back here. Then you can choose to add gravel top dressing to the visible soil if you would like. I'm not going to for this planter because it's pretty full already, but that was it. 3 plants in a cute pot, and now you have a great gift to give somebody, or this will also look great on your home, on a kitchen table, or somewhere low where it's not going to get too tall and affect conversation. But there you have it. Beautiful, easy care, low light, mixed houseplant container. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions or have any other videos you'd like to see.